Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Picks. If you're ready to turn your backyard into your very own summer escape, today's video is for you. We're counting down the best above-ground pools of 2025, ranked from solid choices to our ultimate favorite. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly fun or a full backyard experience, I've got you covered. We've tested all of these pools hands-on, judging setup time, durability, maintenance, and, of course, how fun they are to swim in. Don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Check those out as you follow along. If you're working with a smaller budget but still want something better than a blow-up kiddie pool, the Intex metal frame pool is a surprisingly solid option. This one impressed us with how sturdy it felt, especially for the price. It's compact, quick to set up, and ideal for small yards or patios. Now, while it doesn't come with all the bells and whistles, like a ladder or cover, you do get a 530-gallon-per-hour filter pump, which does a nice job of keeping things clean. The pump also includes a ground fault circuit interrupter, a nice safety touch that shuts off automatically if water touches the electrical current. Setup is beginner-friendly, though you'll need a level surface, an outlet for the pump, and a hose to fill it. It took us about 6 to 8 hours. You'll probably want to grab a ladder, cover, and tarp separately, but all in all, this is a great no-frills option that punches above its price point. If you're dipping your toes into the world of above-ground pools but don't want to go all out just yet, the Intex Prism Frame Premium Pool Set is the perfect sweet spot. It's affordable, compact, and still delivers that real pool experience, without the giant footprint or the complicated setup. This round pool comes in at 10 feet in diameter and 30 inches deep, holding about 1,185 gallons of water when filled to 90%. That's enough room for a few adults to sit and cool off, or for the kids to splash around and burn off some summer energy. It's not Olympic-sized, but for its class, it packs a surprising amount of fun. As for setup, it's refreshingly simple. Once you've picked a level spot in your yard and rolled out the included ground cloth, assembly takes around 30 minutes from start to finish. You won't need any tools, and the instructions are super straightforward. If we had to nitpick, the smaller size means it might feel a bit tight for larger families or group hangouts. But as a compact pool that's easy to set up, durable, and reliable, this one is a total win in its category. It's ideal for those who want a real pool experience without the hassle of full-sized builds or heavy-duty maintenance. Think of it as the perfect starter pool, or even a stylish upgrade from a basic inflatable. Coming in at number 4 on our list is the Bestway Steel Pro Rectangular Above-Ground Pool. And this one is a real hidden gem if you're working with a narrow backyard or limited space, but still want that refreshing summer dip. Now, unlike a lot of circular above-ground pools, this one comes in a rectangular shape, measuring just over 13 feet long, nearly 7 feet wide, and 32 inches deep. That shape actually gives you more usable swimming space compared to a round pool of a similar size, especially if you're trying to teach your kids how to swim or just want to float on a lounger without bumping elbows. It's the kind of pool that makes smart use of every square foot. The steel frame is corrosion-resistant and features Bestway's Frame Link system, which connects the tubes securely and keeps everything aligned. The best part? No tools required. You can literally have this thing up and filled by lunchtime if you're working with a partner. So if you're looking for a mid-sized pool that offers strength, space, and that crisp rectangular aesthetic, the Bestway Steel Pro is a fantastic contender. It might fly under the radar compared to bigger sets with all the accessories, but if you want something simple, reliable, and smartly designed, this one definitely delivers. Taking the number 3 spot is a real crowd favorite, the Bestway Steel Pro Max Round Pool Set. If you're looking for that classic round pool shape with a solid construction, a family-friendly size, and all the key accessories bundled in, this is the one that really stands out. This pool has a 15-foot diameter and stands 48 inches high, giving you a generous amount of space for the whole family. Whether it's adults floating around on pool loungers or kids playing pool games, There's plenty of room for everyone. Bestway uses their signature DuraPlus material, which is a 3-layer, ultra-durable composite that's designed to be long-lasting and puncture-resistant. Water capacity here is about 4,440 gallons when filled to 90%, which is a great size for families who want a real swimming experience without the huge commitment of an in-ground pool. You'll want to make sure you've got a level surface to place it on. And remember, it does take a bit of time to fill, especially if you're using a regular garden hose. The Bestway Steel Pro Max gives you a lot of pool for the price. It's easy to assemble, durable enough to last several summers, and comes with all the extras most other sets make you buy separately. If you want a hassle-free summer setup that's family-ready, this is one of the strongest all-around options in 2025. All right, coming in strong at number 2 is one of the best-looking above-ground pools you can buy right now, the Intex Greywood Prism Frame 15-foot by 48-inch round pool set. If style and strength are both high on your list, this one is seriously hard to beat. The outer wall of this pool is wrapped in a beautiful faux wood grain finish, and it honestly looks way more high-end than your typical blue plastic pool. In terms of size, this pool holds about 4,440 gallons of water and offers a full 48-inch depth, which is perfect for both adults and kids. There's plenty of space to cool off, float around, or even get a light swim in. It's deep enough to stand and wade comfortably, but not so deep that it becomes intimidating for younger swimmers. The bundle includes everything you need to get started: the pump, a safety ladder, a ground cloth, and a pool cover. And despite the strong frame and solid size, the assembly is quick and pain-free. We had it fully put together and ready for water in about 45 minutes, and you don't need any tools. Everything clicks together with Intex's Easy Fit system. The Intex Greywood Prism Frame Pool is an incredible package. It's stylish, durable, deep, and easy to set up, and it gives you that wow factor in your yard. And finally, the crown jewel, the Intex Ultra XTR Deluxe Rectangular Pool. This is the pool we'd recommend if you're going all in on summer fun. It's available in multiple sizes, but we tested the 20 by 48-foot model, which comfortably fits several adults and kids at once. The depth is great for swimming, and the rectangular shape makes it perfect for laps or just chilling out. This set includes everything you need: a sand filter pump, ladder, pool cover, and ground cloth. The Ultra Frame design is incredibly sturdy, and the setup, while heavier than the others, was straightforward if you follow the steps. Be warned, it holds over 8,000 gallons, so you'll need a water delivery truck or a full-day hose session. It's best to set it up on compacted soil, concrete, or a reinforced base to handle the weight. We do recommend buying a larger cover, as the included one didn't fully fit the version we tested. Still, this is hands down the best pool on the list for serious backyard swimmers. If you've got the space and the budget, this is the one to get. And that wraps up our list of the best above-ground pools for 2025. Whether you're looking to cool off on a budget or want to create a full-blown backyard resort, there's an option here for you. Be sure to check the product links in the description. We've included all the best deals and current prices. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world product reviews right here on Consumer Picks. See you in the next one.